should be. And I made a plan so that vision I could see. But see, that plan was just a list of things I thought I could do. Then I created systems, now my vision's coming true. Visions become reality with systems, not plans. Visions become reality with systems, not plans. I had a dream of the way things could be, and I made a plan so that dream could become reality. But see,